In today's Power Hour, I am cleaning up by my pool after a storm, so stay tuned. One thing that I absolutely love about Power Hours is that I can make a list of things that I need to accomplish and I can devote an hour to that list. I can either complete the list if it takes longer than an hour, or I can stop and take a break and continue on at a later date. But Power Hours are so motivating to me. This is a collaboration. I am hosting this collaboration throughout the summer. The original host, Jessica Myros, one of my dear friends here on YouTube, is taking a little break from hosting collabs, so I am picking up this one for her. So I hope that this video motivates and inspires you to do something around your home today. A Power Hour can be indoors or outdoors. I started this Power Hour at 6:23 p.m. and I finished at 7:25 p.m. So I went just a little over an hour, but when you have to clean a pool, it kind of takes a little bit longer than expected. So anyway, I hope this motivates you and inspires you, and do not forget to check out the playlist because some other creators have put together some very inspiring Power Hours for you guys as well. So I'm starting out this Power Hour by adding some new pillows that I got at Michael's. I am honestly not sure about these colors and the pillows that I got. They are not my typical colors for outside. My typical colors are red, white, or black, and these have like some bold summer prints, but I think it will be fun just for the summer. These do not last forever anyway. I looked online to order some red and white ones, but they were just so expensive, and I found the ones at Michael's on sale, so I did pick those up recently. And I am just pulling this umbrella table back over. The umbrella actually fell. It fell on the plants in front of it, and I know that I need to straighten the umbrella a little bit more. I'm just going to put on some music and then I will hop in just a little bit.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you
To prepare to vacuum, I'm just getting the larger leaves out of the pool, and you can see me dipping over the fence. That is still our property on the other sides of the fence. We do not have the fence backing up to the end of our property, so it is okay for us to put the leaves there. So I did not want you to think that I was giving our neighbors leaves or anything like that, but I'm just getting up these bigger pieces before I attach the hose to start vacuuming out the pool.
ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all.
So this is definitely one of my least favorite parts, and that is cleaning out the skimmer. I am always afraid of what might be in there. In this case, it was just a worm, so that was okay, I guess, even though I still don't like putting my hands on worms. And again, I'm just putting that over the other side of the fence on our own little bushes in the mulch. And then I'm going to put that back, and then I'm going to get our vacuum out so that I can vacuum up the leaves that were in the pool. And I think I said in the beginning of the video that I am cleaning up after a storm. storm. We had a storm, and so a lot of leaves and debris went in the pool, and so I'm trying to get that cleaned up. So that's what I decided to devote this power hour to. I want to take just a moment to, if you are new to my channel, to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and heart warrior, and I would love to have you in my growing YouTube family.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright.
So I don't know if you noticed this or not, but there is a big gap between our trees behind our pool, and we actually had a fungus attached to our trees, and we have so far lost I want to say 3 or 4 trees, and we are in the process of losing 2 more. So fingers crossed we will not lose those completely, and we will get the situation taken care of and not lose any more of those trees. They have been growing for 17 years, so it was so sad to see them go, and it just feels so open back there. But we're trying to just see if the other ones will make it and survive, so that's kind of why there is that gap in the middle. Also, I want to tell you guys about this comfortable outfit that I have on. Of course, this is not sponsored, and I do not have to tell you this, but I do absolutely love this outfit. It is athletic wear, and it's from Old Navy. Old Navy has really stepped up their game this season. I'm absolutely loving some of their clothing, but this has like shorts. It's built-in shorts with it, and so you can work out in it, you can clean the pool in it, and it's so versatile. And it was 50% off, and I had an Old Navy coupon for, or cash or whatever it's called, and it was $30. So basically I got this for $0. So that is definitely a win-win. But I did want to tell you about that because it is so comfortable, and it does have those little built-in shorts, and I absolutely love that you can work out in it, run errands in it, do whatever you need to do.
All night, we're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your.
So after vacuuming the pool, I do take this little brush and I brush all the debris that's left toward these drains that are in the pool. I think if we get lots of storms this summer, I'm definitely going to build up some muscles from doing all of this. You can tell that it's not the easiest job in the world, but it looks so much better when it's complete.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
So like with all periods of cleaning or just anytime we finish something, it's always nice to sit back and relax and look at the work that you completed. So I thought that I would just end this video by showing you what the pool looks like completed, and it's nice, fresh, and clean, and just leave you with some sounds of nature. Please check out the playlist. I'm so excited to share that with you. And remember, most importantly, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade if you're ready.